Is there a project designed by Atkins over the past 25 years that allows a merchant marine port to grow substantially by making it more competitive in the international marketplace, including capitalizing on the opening of the new Panama Canal? Allows a state DOT to boast the design and implementation of one-of-a-kind dedicated truck lanes with full electronic tolling that supports a major business portal. Allows a neighborhood with a strong heritage and history to return to its historic golden days. Creates a catalyst for significant job growth in one of USA's largest population metropolitan census areas. Yes, the new I-4 Selman Expressway Connector project does.
3, 2, 1.
It's truly an exciting day. So it takes a lot of dedication, sticking to the purpose, decades to get projects like this to the day that we're here today.
Trucks can leave the Port of Tampa directly without having to go through historic Ybor City. You're going to see improvements to Ybor City.
A safer, easier connection between two important east-west highways, improved access to the Port of Tampa, which is vital to the economy of this city and the nation.
The connector is a $425 million project, but in order to produce the 4 bid packages, we had to develop essentially $1 billion worth of design plans.
The size and complexity and the technical nature of the job has allowed many of our more junior engineers to really elevate their game.
This project alone, all combined, used as much steel and concrete that Florida Department of Transportation had used in the past 5 years.
Span-by-span construction, we use gantry truss. The gantry truss is a construction where you bring all the segment and you place it underneath the truss. And then if you look at the pictures, you can see that the truss is, all of the segments is first hanging from the truss. Then you apply the post-tensioning to the span, and then you grout it, and then you have a span.
The numbers on this project are staggering. Just to give you an idea of these numbers, we used 1.5 million square feet of bridge deck spread across 23 unique bridge ramps, comprised of 33 lane miles of bridge. That took 2,765 precast segments with 104 balanced cantilever spans, 300 piers, 1,162 drilled shafts, 9 million pounds of post-tensioning steel, 19 million pounds of reinforcing steel, and 125,000 cubic yards of concrete. The post-tensioning steel is enough to wrap the world twice if you put it in end to end, and we had enough concrete trucks to run from San Francisco to New York, bumper to bumper.
It's going to allow us to market to the world the Port Tampa Bay. We serve over 8.5 million people and 55 million visitors a year, so it's a game changer for us.
There were thousands and thousands of jobs, particularly in construction, but think about the ripple effect, the restaurants, the businesses, the suppliers that also had work to do in the midst of the Great Recession. We will look back on the Recovery Act and the investment we made in the Crosstown Connector as one of the most important transportation investments in the history of Tampa Bay.
And we had a very tight deadline, and glad to say that we did meet the requirements, and we were 3 months early.
The department is extremely pleased with how Archer Western, PCL, Atkins, and all of the other folks that participated in this project, how it came together. It came together on time, within budget.
I'll tell you, a lot of people poured their heart and soul into this project. I poured my heart and soul into this project. I couldn't be prouder of it.
Puff truck.